Okay everybody, just a real quick video tonight. I just got done installing the rear lift on my 214. And I wanted to go over a couple things that I noticed when I did the installation that might make it easier for you. The first one, and it's pretty obvious when you can see that I have the rear fenders off the tractor. I think that definitely helped here at the back to have a little bit more hand room in there to feed everything in there, because you have to feed parts up from the bottom of the tractor, and it's just nice to be able to get your hand down in there. It's made it a lot easier for me to get my hands in there to do the job, so I'd recommend doing that for sure. Up at the front side of the tractor, there's really nothing special there. I mean, once you feed the lift arm through there, there's a hole right there that's pretty obvious that's what it's for. Just stick your pin in and hook it up and you're done. I think the whole installation here, not counting the rear fender removal, probably took me about 15 or 20 minutes. It's really not a bad job. And as you can see, it works. Now, in the next couple of days, I'm going to be installing a spring assist with this too. I could have waited and did it all together, but I decided I didn't want to wait. I was just being impatient. And plus, I just wanted to see how each individual component installed before, rather than trying to do both of them together. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. The rear lift's on. It's one step closer to be able to test out that tiller. Thanks for watching.